Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Hamster Kombat on PC. Let's get started. Okay, once you reach your web browser, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type download Telegram for PC. So now you're going to scroll down and you're going to visit the site desktop.telegram.org. So Telegram Desktop, we're going to click on this link. Now it says Telegram Desktop, fast and secure desktop app, perfectly synced with your mobile phone. Get Telegram for Windows x64, so we're going to select that one. Then what you want to do is wait for the download to finish and then install the application. So once it's done installing and you've logged in with your details, you're going to see your chats over here. And if you want to search for Hamster Kombat, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in Hamster Kombat. And there you go. Here it is. And then what you want to do is click on play in one click. So now you just have to wait for Hamster Kombat to load. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.